bring up our Chief Operating Officer, Matt Campbell, everybody.
And as always, I want to give a special thanks, special shout out to our installers, because every single day they are giving us 110% commitment without ever saying why. Why do I have to work so hard? Why do I have to do this? Why? They just say, give me a job, I want to do it. Thank you. Thank you everyone for your support.
My experience with the installation process was actually a lot more convenient than I expected it to be. It was stress-free, and to me the biggest thing is convenience, so it really had little to no effect on my day-to-day. The workers that came in, they were respectful of my home, they were respectful of my family and of me, so it was a really stress-free process. So if I had to do it again, I don't really think I'd change anything about it.
We got a phone call from the solar company telling us they're ready to install the system. We made the appointment. That was convenient for us. They came in, they put the equipment. The installation happened very quickly, one day, and they finished very quickly, and it was done. Everything was perfect. I can't think of anything that you guys would have done anything better.
The install process took like a day and a half. The whole roof was good with panels. Excellent. And they were here. They did the installation. The main installation was done in one day.
Everything got done relatively fast, and I think it was about like 2 months or so, like for everything start to finish, from when we signed papers to when it was actually activated. So that wasn't bad. I think you guys did a bang out job. Everything came out great. I don't have any roof leaks. Like the panels are doing what they're supposed to do. I have a $0 electric bill, so I'm happy. All in all, I mean, sure, can we always improve as human beings? Yes, but on my particular project, I think you guys did a really good job. So,
Shout out to Dave, because he's done a great job on all this. Dave Horton, Dave Rodeo. You guys, thank you.
Matt Campbell again, everybody. Let's give him a round of applause. Before we head into our break again, I had asked for a couple of shout outs. Jeff Desmaris, where are you, brother? Stand up, my friend. Stand up. Come on, get up there and push them up. So some words that Matt had to describe Jeff. He said, I would like to recognize Jeff as a leader of service and supporting installation crews. Over the last few months working together, Jeff has proven to be a strong leader and a great example for others to see him taking ownership of his role. He is always ready and willing to support Smart Green Solar, no matter how difficult the situation may be, and he's never one to give up on reaching his goals. So again, let's give Jeff a shout out and a round of applause.